Tempur material is unlike anything on Earth. That's why we use it in every Tempur mattress and pillow. But what makes this material so special? Tempur material is born from NASA technology, first developed in the 1960s to cushion astronauts during spaceflight. Our scientists took this groundbreaking invention and spent decades perfecting it for sleep. And after refining that original material, we created the world's first viscoelastic mattress and pillow in 1991.
Tempur material is better than normal memory foam because this is coming directly from NASA. We have first used it for healthcare and medical products, and then it was further developed into mattresses and pillows. So it has a proven track record of working.
But how does Tempur material work? Tempur material is a temperature-sensitive open-cell material. From the moment you lie down, billions of ultra-sensitive cells respond to your body's shape, weight and warmth, realigning and adapting to every inch of you.
So it takes a little while, it takes a couple of seconds before you sink into the material. We call it the Tempur ride or the Tempur melt. And this feeling is a kind of wow effect to me, and I know also for a lot of our consumers.
No other bedding material has been created to offer this level of comfort and support, relieving pressure points from sensitive areas and reducing tossing and turning. And with less than 3% motion transfer across your mattress, you and your partner can rest undisturbed. For over 30 years, this has been our trade secret, and we like to keep it that way.
We only have around 10 people in the company that actually knows this secret recipe, and it is developed and handled in our own lab.
We continually work with Tempur material at our state-of-the-art facilities in Denmark and have developed a variation of feels and technologies to cater to your different needs for comfort and support.
Every day you come to work, you learn new things about this unique material. What we are doing actually is working with very complicated, very complex chemistry.
Today, we are proud that Tempur is the only bedding material inducted into the Space Technology Hall of Fame, with NASA officially recognizing it as improving the quality of life.
We are one team, we are one company working towards improving the sleep of people around the world.